Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware so you avoid later confusion. Check each monitor's input type, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, and label the cables so you know which is which. Once done, power both monitors and the PC and plug each display into separate GPU outputs. This ensures the system recognizes two distinct displays. Make sure connectors are fully seated and use the GPU outputs, not motherboard ports. If a monitor stays dark, cycle its power to confirm the cable is working. You now move into software setup because correct settings prevent blurriness and misalignment. Open your operating system's display settings, click Detect if needed, and choose Identify to see numbers for each screen, then set which is primary. Next, match each monitor's native resolution and appropriate refresh rate, and set scaling to avoid UI size mismatch. Once configured, open the GPU control panel for options like spanning, color depth, and per-display rotation. This gives you finer control over performance and multi-monitor behavior. You finish by aligning and validating the setup so daily use is seamless. In display settings, drag the virtual monitors to match their physical positions and apply. Then test by dragging windows across both screens and running a full-screen video to check color and sync. Save profiles if your GPU software allows it. If something goes wrong, update or reinstall GPU drivers, reboot, and try a different cable. This single step fixes detection and flicker issues more often than changing settings alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.